to amaze me how people can be wasteful. This is a brand new, practically brand new, Bissell Pro Heat. I mean, it's still got the original label on it, and it doesn't even look like, it doesn't even have scratches on the side. It's barely been used. Okay? And I'm guessing someone left it in their apartment. So the guy threw it out, and to make sure no one could use it, he went and cut the cord off of it. Can you believe that? So, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to desanitize the hell out of it, and then we'll crack it open and put a cord on it. I guarantee it works. Talk about a waste. Let's see if it works. Well, I had multiple problems. Problem number 2, broken belt. And the belt works this pump that pumps the fluid. So as soon as the belt broke, there was no pump. It wasn't washing the floors. And that's the other reason why the guy got rid of it. And there's a switch I have to work on there. Well, that's about it. In total, it cost me about $5 to repair it. So I need a new belt, put a shorter cord on it, but you can extend it with a cord. Yeah, so it's ready to go. The motor's healthy. It's got a lot of life left in it. This one here was in the same shape, and I've had that one for about 2 years. It really pays to know how to repair this stuff. Basically, I'll never have to pay for them again. You know what I mean? People toss them out because they have a broken $5 belt. I'm pretty happy with that. And as you can see, this is pretty clean. There's no scratches or anything on it. I mean, it's a rug vacuum. I mean, it sits in a closet. You never use it, right? It's because it broke a belt. It is kind of a dumb setup, though, that it has the belt operates the front brush and the water pump. They should have did the water pump separate from the belt. So I can see why the guy tossed it out. I mean, if he didn't know anything about vacuums, basically he would have thought the pump was dead because it wouldn't spray water. It would just suck. That's it. So it's a bad design, really. But the belt's cheap, so I'm good with that. We'll give it a quick test. I guess first we'll have to see if the brushes and the pump work. Look for that. Works.